Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn about the application of the part design subtractive primitive tools like cone, ellipsoid, and torus. You also learn the several ways to invoke these tools. This part design primitive tool is called subtractive cone. For subtractive tools, you don't need any sketch profile. By inserting a subtractive cone tool in the active body, its shape will be subtracted from the existing active solid part. The subtractive tools removes material from the supporting active 3D object. The next subtractive tools is called subtractive ellipsoid. Using subtractive ellipsoid tool is similar to the subtractive cone. In this case, the ellipsoid shape will be subtracted from the existing solid. The last subtractive tools is called subtractive torus. The function of this tool is similar to subtractive cone and subtractive ellipsoid. They remove material from the supporting active 3D object. On this slide, you find the several ways to invoke these subtractive tools and the steps to create the subtractive primitives. The first option to invoke the subtractive tool is clicking on the down arrow besides the visible icon and then select the one you want. The second option is from Part Design menu. Set the primitive parameters and attachment and then press OK button. Here are the parameters for these subtractive tools. In the following examples, I will show you the application of these subtractive primitive tools. The first example is about the subtractive cone tool. I created already the active supporting solid part. Set the cone parameters according to the given values and click OK button. Now I will show you the removed material by taking the section. Double-click to edit the created solid part. And change the parameters. Set the position from the origin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more FreeCAD tutorials. In the next example, I will show you how to use the subtractive ellipsoid tool without sketch profile. Now I will copy the subtractive cone body and modify it to subtractive ellipsoid. Copy all. Rename it to Ellipsoid. Hide the cone's solid body. Delete the cone body. Make the ellipsoid body active. Set again the subtractive ellipsoid parameters according to the given values and then click OK button. Set the position of the subtractive ellipsoid from the origin. Modify the size of the subtractive ellipsoid. In the next example, I will show you the application of the Subtractive Torus tool. Copy again the subtractive ellipsoid body and modify it to Subtractive Torus. Apply the same procedure like example 2. Rename it and make it active. The steps and the procedures are similar to subtractive cone and subtractive ellipsoid. In this case, the torus shape will be subtracted from the existing active solid part. Set the position of the subtractive torus from the origin. Modify the parameters. That is for today about the application of the part design subtractive tools cone, ellipsoid, and torus in FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.